Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopee Voucher error M02. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, there's actually a few things you need to do here to probably solve this issue. So one of those things is, first, we have to ensure that we have the latest version of Shopee. Now in this case, before doing that, we also need to change or basically clear some cache into our Shopee application. In this case, locate your Shopee application here, press and hold on it, and go to App Info. Now under App Info, choose the option that says Clear Data, and from here, click on Clear Cache. So in this case, just click on OK. So what we just did there is we just cleared the temporary files within Shopee. So these files are not necessarily important. So these files can be replaced. So in this case, sometimes clearing your cache can actually solve this issue. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and basically search for Shopee. Now, sometimes our applications on our account or in our Android devices sometimes might not get updated. So updating them or checking if they have the latest update here, just to ensure that you are currently working with the latest version. Because sometimes if you're not working with the current version or the latest version for Shopee, you might get this issue here. But that's about it. So that's how you fix this issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.